Welcome reception learners to lesson number 59. My name is Lee and this is Baby Bear. You might have joined us for our last lesson where we explored the attributes of a circle and we created some really beautiful printed circle artwork. I wonder, did you have a go at creating your own artwork at home? Perhaps you drew some circles, or perhaps you found some objects that had a circle shape on it and you did some printing. I wonder how you went. The learning intention for today's lesson is to identify the attributes of a two-dimensional triangle. And remember, when we're talking about two-dimensional shapes, we're talking about shapes that have one dimension being the length and the other dimension being the width. It has not got any depth. It's flat. Have a look over here. I've got a picture of a triangle and it tells us the attributes of this triangle. Let's have a look. It's got 3 corners, and remember, a corner is where 2 sides meet, and it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 sides. Remember, it's two-dimensional because we can't pick it up. Now let's compare our triangle to some of our other shapes that we've done some exploring with. We explored the attributes of a circle, and we know that a circle has no corners and it only has one curved edge that's continuous, but it is also two-dimensional. It hasn't got any depth. We can't pick it up. And we can compare it to a square, and the square has got 4 corners and 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all of the sides are the same. But this is also two-dimensional. We can't pick it up. So, I wonder, do you love our crowns? I wonder if you know what our song's going to be all about today. It's going to be about triangles. And I've got some beautiful triangle objects, a collection here of some triangle objects that you might find at home or you might see around the place. We've got a giveaway sign that has a triangle shape. It's got 3 corners and 3 sides. I can see some other puzzle pieces. It's got 3 corners and 3 sides. And this one's really great. Have a look at this. On the face of this one is a two-dimensional triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides. It also looks a bit like a roof of a house, doesn't it? So triangles are everywhere. Everywhere. You just need to have a look around and you might be able to spot them and see them. Do you know that you can draw a triangle in the air with your finger? Are you ready? Shall we have a go? We know that it has 3 corners and 3 sides. Let's start. Maybe we can draw one together. 1, 2, 3. And they can be different sizes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Should we do it with our elbow? 1, 2, 3. Do it with your nose? 1, 2, 3. What about you do it with your ear? 1, 2, 3. That's very funny, isn't it? Should we sing our shape song today, focusing on triangles? Are you ready? Put a triangle over here and a triangle over there. A triangle down here and a triangle over there. Lots and lots of triangles in the air, everywhere. It's a triangle kind of day. Oh, Baby Bear, I love triangle kinds of days. And you know that I went somewhere very special. And I know that you would have loved to have been there, but you weren't, so I'm going to share it with you. Inside the magic hat, the magician pulled out some amazing, beautiful flags. And take a look at our flags. Can you have a guess at what shape our flags are? Use your knowledge of the attributes of the shapes and have a guess. They are triangles. Have a look at them. They're all triangle shapes, but they've all got different patterns on them. They're really beautiful. Lots and lots and lots and lots of triangle shapes coming out of the magic hat. So many beautiful triangle flags. Do you know this is called bunting? And we are going to have a go at making our very own bunting. Wow, that is so cool. Baby Bear, I'm going to put that all over you here. Enjoy your beautiful bunting. It can be like a decoration. Do you know we're going to make our own by getting a long string. It is string, a bit like this one has here. And we've got a stapler, and I have cut out lots of different triangle shapes. And these triangle shapes look very different to the bunting that we got from the magic show. These triangles here have got the same attributes of a triangle, but they're different sizes. And have a look, they've all got 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides. We're going to attach these different size and coloured triangles to our string, but I'm going to make them look different. So I'm going to start with this one here. I'm going to attach it, staple it on. Great. Next I'm going to get, I'm going to get a big one. Look, that's still a triangle shape, but it looks very different to the triangle shape here and Terry triangle, doesn't it? It's longer and thinner, but it still has 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides. I'm going to staple that one on and attach it to my bunting. Good job, Lee. Oh, put that one there. Super. All right, let's get another one here. I've got a small green one here. This time I'm going to put the point of the triangle, the corner, up the top and attach it that way. Look at my bunting so far. Looks great. Okay, let's put another one on. I think I love the idea of this, a really big triangle with its 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's attach that one here along it, along the string. It's fiddly work making bunting, but it's worth it. All right, put that here. So good, and maybe one in the middle. Great. I'm going to next get an orange triangle. I'm going to put it with its point on it along the string. I love that triangles all look different, yet they're the same. Same but different. Different colours, different sizes, but all the same attributes. That's great. Okay, let's look for a different size, different shape. Oh, this one's even longer and skinnier than the first purple one we put on. I'm going to attach that with its point on the string. So many triangles on our bunting. Good job. Okay. Oh, looking good so far, isn't it? Looks amazing. All right, I think I'm going to put on 2 more. I'm going to put this yellow triangle on here and on here, and let's leave it at that. Have a look at our beautiful bunting. We have got a yellow triangle, a purple triangle, a green triangle, a big red triangle, an orange triangle, a purple long thin triangle, and we're going to end with a yellow triangle. That was lots of fun. I wonder if you could have a go at maybe cutting out some shapes and making your own bunting at home. Could be fun, and it'll be a great decoration. Baby Bear, I've been exploring triangles with my scissors and some card. And do you know that I cut my card into a triangle shape? And do you know what I noticed? It was quite fascinating. I cut one side and another side, and look what happened. I made 1, 2, 3 triangles from one piece of card. Fascinating. Do you know that I'm going to do some more cutting, and I'm going to turn this big triangle into lots of smaller triangles. Have a look. I'm going to cut this here. And then I'm going to cut this in two again. Can you see what's happening to my big triangle? When I cut it in half, I make 2 triangles. And have a look at what I'm going to do here to the bottom part of the triangle. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. 4 triangles, all out of our big, large triangle that we started with. It's a bit like a puzzle, right? You start with it and you pull it apart, and then you have to work out how to put it all back together. That's what I love about triangles. And do you know that I have been playing with lots of other triangle shapes, and I've cut out lots of different triangles from a different coloured card, and I thought that together we could have a go at turning our triangles into a beautiful picture. I wonder if you've ever done that before. Do you know what? You could have a go at doing this at home as well. You could join in, or you could maybe have a go afterwards. Take a look. I've got an orange triangle, a blue triangle, I've got some sparkly triangles. Have a look. Got a red triangle here, a yellow triangle. Oh, and I've got a couple of eyes because I thought they might help us. So lots of triangles here. I wonder, what can I make from our triangles? What shapes can I make? I might start with this one. See if you can guess what I'm going to make. I get one of these over here. Walking in the forest, we can see lots and lots and lots of trees. They're funny trees, aren't they? 2 triangles on top of each other to represent a tree. Okay, that's one picture. Let's have a think of some others. I'm going to shuffle them all back together, and I'm going to create a new picture. Take a look at this one. I'm going to put this blue triangle on top of the orange triangle. I'm going to get this red triangle and put it on top of the blue triangle. Good job, Lee. Okay, now I'm going to get this green triangle and put it up the top, down the bottom here. But it's actually going to trick you when you see what this is going to be. I've got 2 googly eyes, and I've got a little triangle here I'm going to put on top here. And take a look at this. This is my triangle fox. Do you love my triangle fox? It's pretty cool, isn't it? 2 triangle ears, a big triangle head, and some triangles there to make its snout. It's pretty cool. All right, one more. I think we've got time for one more triangle puzzle. All right, let's see if you can guess what this one is. All righty. Let's take a look. See if you can guess. A big triangle here, next to it a smaller blue triangle. I'm going to put, I'm going to put, I'm not going to use that triangle. I'm going to maybe put this triangle here, and I'm going to put this triangle here on the back, and then this triangle, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to keep working this out. I'm going to problem solve. I'm going to problem solve my way through this and see if I can make a beautiful triangle puzzle. Wow. Take a look at that. I wonder if you can guess what this is going to be. I'm going to put another triangle here on top of the blue one, and I'm going to put an eye there. Can you guess what this picture is from all of those triangle shapes? I've made a beautiful rainbow fish. Can you see the fish's body? Can you see its eye and its little fin and beautiful rainbow scales and the tail? That was lots of fun, wasn't it? Creating a picture from lots of triangle shapes. I wonder if you could have a go at doing that at home. It's lots and lots of fun. In this lesson, we spent lots of time exploring the attributes of two-dimensional triangles. We made our own triangle bunting that we've got up here, and we created our own triangle pictures using cutout shapes of triangles. I hope you enjoyed our lesson as much as Baby Bear and I loved sharing it with you. We hope to see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye. Say bye, Baby Bear, under your triangles. Bye.